Duplo's DF920 fully automatic tabletop folder folds documents easily and efficiently at a speed of up to 280 sheets per minute. Do you spend your time making adjustments on a manual setting folder? Do you spend hours and hours folding your applications by hand? Let the DF920 take care of your folding needs. Pre-programmed with 6 of the most popular folds, the DF920 is ideal for low to medium volume jobs and easy for anyone to use. Simply load the feed tray with up to 500 sheets and adjust the side guides. On the user-friendly control panel, select the fold type. You can choose from single, double, half accordion, letter, accordion, and gate, or use its capability to cross-fold. To customize a standard fold, adjust the fold plate on the control panel and save it in one of the 2 memory settings. Enter the desired quantity and press Start. The DF920 recognizes the 5 common paper sizes and self-adjusts without any manual adjustments required. The elevating feed tray and fold plates adjust automatically before the paper feeds through its patented 3-roller feed system. Within seconds, perfectly aligned folds are produced. Without any skewing or material wasted, a variety of paper types can be folded, such as NCR and bond, as well as some coated and cardstock between 16 and 80 pounds. And don't worry about the machine interrupting your work environment. Due to its unique sound absorbers, its noise is dramatically reduced, providing you with a quiet operation. Available for those with budget constraints, Duplo also offers the DF915 semi-automatic tabletop folder. Though semi-automated, the DF915 also folds applications easily and professionally. For an efficient mailer solution, connect the DF920 or 915 folder to Duplo's DT900 tabber to fold and tab open-ended mailers in a single pass. Using its 2-tab capability, direct mail and variable data pieces are delivered securely fastened and ready for distribution. The DF920 and DF915 tabletop folders provide a productive and easy-to-use folding solution for all types of businesses and organizations.